Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Squarespace easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, select the website where you want to deploy the AI tools. Navigate to the settings in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down to find the advanced option and click on it. In the advanced section, look for code injection. Click on Code Injection to access the designated areas for header and footer scripts. Locate the header section. Here, you can add any custom scripts for your AI tools. If you have a specific AI tool in mind, copy the provided JavaScript code from its documentation. Paste the code into the header section of Squarespace. Make sure to follow any specific integration instructions from the AI tool provider. Next, scroll down to the footer section if any additional scripts need to be added there. After pasting all required codes, scroll to the bottom and click Save. To ensure the AI tools are functioning, go back to your website. Refresh the page to see the changes take effect. Test the AI tool by interacting with the features it offers. If needed, make adjustments by revisiting the code injection section. Monitor the performance of the AI tools over time to ensure they're providing value. Once everything is set, you're ready to enhance your website with AI tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.